Ever wondered how your favorite electric keyboard piano is made? Today, we're embarking on an intriguing journey into the world of electric keyboard pianos, instruments that have revolutionized the landscape of music. From the concert stage to the home studio, these versatile marvels have become a staple in the musical world, offering a wide range of sounds and capabilities. But have you ever stopped to consider what goes into their creation? Understanding the process of making an electric keyboard piano is more than just satisfying curiosity. It's about appreciating the intricate blend of technology and craftsmanship that gives life to the melodies we love. It's about recognizing the dedication and precision that goes into every key press, every note, and every chord. So join us as we pull back the curtain on this remarkable process, revealing the magic behind the music. Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating step-by-step process of making an electric keyboard piano. Every great creation starts with a plan. In the world of electric keyboard pianos, the design and planning stage is a meticulous process that shapes the final product. It's a fascinating journey that starts with a simple sketch and evolves into a detailed blueprint. This blueprint acts as the master guide, outlining every nook and cranny of the instrument right down to the minutest details. The first step in the blueprint creation process involves deciding the size and shape of the keyboard. The dimensions are crucial as they determine the keyboard's portability and the overall user experience. Next, we delve into the key layout. This is where the magic happens, as the layout of the keys sets the tone for the music that will be produced. The standard keyboard layout typically consists of 88 keys, 52 white and 36 black, arranged in a pattern that's been used for centuries. This pattern, a mix of whole and semitones, is what gives the keyboard its distinctive sound. The blueprint also includes the design of the electronic components. These are the heart of an electric keyboard piano, responsible for translating the touch of a finger on a key into a beautiful melody. The electronic components include sensors to detect key presses, circuit boards to process the signals, and speakers to output the sound. Each component must be meticulously planned and designed to ensure it fits perfectly within the keyboard's frame. The blueprint outlines where each component will be placed, how they will be connected, and how they will interact with each other. The importance of the blueprint cannot be overstated. It's like a roadmap, guiding the creators through each step of the manufacturing process. It ensures that every key is in the right place, every circuit board is correctly installed, and every speaker is perfectly aligned. The blueprint is more than just a plan. It's a vision of what the keyboard will become. It's the foundation upon which all the subsequent stages of creation are built. Once the blueprint is ready, it's time to bring the design to life. A keyboard is incomplete without its keys. Indeed, the keys are the main interface between the musician and the instrument. Crafting these keys is a meticulous process that starts with cutting and shaping. High-quality plastic, often ABS or PVC, is the go-to material because of its durability and cost-effectiveness. Each key is precisely cut and shaped to ensure a uniform feel and response across the entire keyboard. Once the keys are cut, they're further refined. The edges are smoothed to avoid any sharpness that could harm the player's fingers. They're then polished to give them a smooth, glossy finish that not only looks appealing, but also enhances the touch response. The keys are then color-coded. The white keys represent the 7 major notes, while the black keys represent the sharps and flats. This color coding is done with great care to ensure consistency and visibility. With the keys ready, we move on to the heart of the keyboard, the electronics. Now comes the electrifying part, the assembly of electronics. This is where the magic of the electric keyboard piano truly comes to life. It's not just about the keys, it's about the symphony of circuitry that lies beneath them. Let's dive in, shall we? Firstly, we have the circuit boards. These are the nerve centers of our electric keyboard piano. They are like the brain, directing the flow of information and commands. Circuit boards are intricate pieces of hardware filled with paths that control the flow of electricity. When you press a key, it's the circuit board that decides what sound to produce and at what volume. Next up, we have the wires. You can think of them as the veins of the keyboard, carrying the lifeblood of electricity to every part. Wires connect everything together, from the keys to the circuit boards, and from the circuit boards to the speakers. They ensure that the signals from the keys reach the right places at the right time. Then we have the chips. These are the tiny geniuses that handle the complex tasks of sound production. When you press a key, the signal is sent via the wires to a chip. The chip then processes this signal and turns it into a specific sound. It's the chips that allow for the wide range of sounds and effects that make electric keyboard pianos so versatile. Finally, it is important to mention that each of these components must be assembled with precision and care. The circuit boards, wires, and chips are all interconnected, and any misstep could lead to a malfunction. To achieve the best sound and performance, the assembly of electronics requires a delicate balance of technical knowledge, precision, and patience. It's like conducting a symphony, where every instrument must play its part perfectly to create a harmonious whole. Once the electronics are in place, it's time to assemble everything. But remember, the magic of the electric keyboard piano lies not just in the keys, but in the symphony of electronics beneath them. We're on the final stretch. It's time to assemble the keyboard. The assembly of a keyboard is like conducting an orchestra. Each component, the keys, the electronics, the casing, plays its part, and when brought together, they create a symphony of sound. Let's delve into how these parts come together to form the final product. First, the keys, the heart of the keyboard, are carefully positioned on the keybed. Each key is meticulously placed, ensuring a smooth transition from one note to another. This process requires precision and patience. It's like placing puzzle pieces together, each key fitting snugly in its place. Once the keys are in place, the electronics come into play. This is where the keyboard truly comes alive. The circuit board, the brain of the keyboard, is then connected to the keys. This crucial step transforms the simple press of a key into a symphony of sound. The magic of an electric keyboard piano lies in this transformation. Next, the speakers, the voice of the keyboard, are secured in the casing. These speakers take the electronic signals from the keys and transform them into the rich, resonant sounds that we hear. Now, everything is housed within the casing. The casing is more than just a shell. It's the body of the keyboard, offering protection and providing a polished look. The casing not only safeguards the delicate internals from damage, but also gives the keyboard its sleek, professional appearance. Once all the components are assembled, the final step is to secure everything in place. The casing is sealed, the keys are double-checked for their placement, and the electronics are tested for their functionality. This meticulous process ensures that every keyboard produced meets the highest standards of quality and performance. Assembling a keyboard is a symphony of its own, a delicate dance of components coming together to create a tool that can produce a world of sound. The process is complex, but the result is a beautifully crafted instrument that's ready to fill the world with music. With everything assembled, there's one crucial step left: testing. The creation process isn't complete without a thorough test. This is where we ensure that the electric keyboard piano you take home is not just an instrument, but a reliable companion for your musical journey. Testing and quality assurance are pivotal steps in the production of any product, and it's no different for electric keyboard pianos. This phase ensures that each keyboard produced meets the high standards of sound quality, key responsiveness, and overall functionality that musicians expect. Sound quality is the soul of any musical instrument. For an electric keyboard piano, this entails rigorous testing of all the pre-programmed sounds. From the grand piano to the pipe organ, each sound must be crystal clear and free from distortion, replicating the original instrument as closely as possible. Next comes key responsiveness. This is all about how the keys react to your touch. Whether you're playing a soft lullaby or a brisk jazz piece, the keys should respond accurately to your pressure, speed, and rhythm. Technicians run multiple test sequences, pressing each key with varying force and speed to ensure that the sound produced matches the input. Then we look at overall functionality. This includes testing the various features and controls on the keyboard, such as the volume knob, rhythm controls, and digital interfaces. We also verify the durability of the keyboard, ensuring that it can withstand the rigors of regular use. Each keyboard undergoes this meticulous testing process, Any keyboard that fails in any of these areas is sent back to the production line for corrections. This is to ensure that when you sit down to play your electric keyboard piano, you're not just playing an instrument, but an instrument that has been tested, retested, and passed with flying colors. And it's not just about the instrument's performance. It's about your experience, your journey, and your music. It's about delivering a keyboard that you can trust, one that will faithfully render your musical ideas and emotions for years to come. After successful testing, the keyboard is ready to bring joy to music enthusiasts around the world. Every note, every chord, every melody played on it is a testament to the rigorous testing and quality assurance that goes into its creation. So that's the journey of an electric keyboard piano, from a blueprint to a musical instrument. A thoughtful design, meticulously crafted keys, intricate electronic assembly, final assembly, and rigorous testing. Each step plays a vital role in creating the melodious magic of an electric keyboard. This process combines the precision of technology with the artistry of craft, resulting in a device that not only produces music but also inspires creativity. Next time you play an electric keyboard piano, remember the intricate process that brought it to life.